I'll be doing a part 2 of summer drinks. And bye! Hey guys, Sahanaa here and welcome back to another video. And as told as in my last video, I'll be doing a part 2 of cool summer drinks. So let's go to the kitchen. For today's drinks, lemon iced tea is the most important ingredient. I'll show you how to make it. Have some sugar in a cup, put in a tea bag and pour hot water in it. And leave it aside for 10 minutes. And then squeeze lemon juice in it. You can use ready-made lemon juice and then put it in the fridge. I am using ready-made lemon iced tea. Now, the ingredients are a few strawberries. I'm only going to use some of these. A can of soda. And iced tea, lemon iced tea, and a few ice cubes. Now you take your strawberries and put them in. Now muddle the strawberries till it's completely smashed. Now we've got the ice. Now I'm going to pour in the iced tea. Now it's time for the soda. Now you want to add a little bit of soda. Now it's ready, but I'm going to add a little bit more iced tea. Now I got a spoon to mix. You have the strawberry here, and now you have it in half. There, and this is a good decoration. And I'm going to add a few mint leaves for decoration. Now, the ingredients for the mango iced tea are mango cubes, a little bit of mango juice, ready-made, and iced tea, lemon iced tea. And now we have few ice cubes. Now I got my glass here, and now first we put the ice. Now we'll be putting the mango juice. Now I'll be pouring in the mangoes. Add lemon iced tea. Now we have the spoon. Now I'm going to mix. Now I have few mint leaves. By that I mean 2. I'm going to put it in here for decoration. Now it looks pretty. Now, the ingredients for the iced tea are lemons, sliced lemons, soda, brown sugar. You can use any sugar you want. And iced tea, lemon iced tea. Now I'm going to put my lemons, slices. Now I have some fresh mint leaves in my hand. I'm going to add them here. I have brown sugar here. And I'm going to add it all. Now muddle it a little so that the mint leaves aroma is released. Now pour in the lemon iced tea. Now I'm going to add the soda. Adding some ice cubes. I have a spoon and I'm going to mix now. And I'm going to put the sliced lemon here. So guys, now I'm going to be doing a taste test. Starting off with the strawberry iced tea. This is amazing. Now I'm going to be taste testing the mango iced tea. The mango one tastes amazing, especially because I love mangoes. And also iced tea. This tastes amazing. Now I'm going to be tasting the lemon mint iced tea. This tastes amazing. It's also sweet but also is sour at the same time, and it tastes very good. And I also like lemons. Now you should try all of these because they're healthy, tasty and also cool summer drinks. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and share my videos with your friends and families, and please subscribe too. And bye!